So after we have done this upper part of building, I want to make a lower part with doors and profile around it. The plan to make this one as a rectangle and separate arched profile. So let's start. I'll cut our section box and I want to see where is this profile. It's about beginning in here. So let's draw a line, coding axis. Now let's do side view and draw one part of profile. Let's see this one. Now it's clear. Let's do a profile. Okay, I hide this group and start doing from a side view. Just draw a profile, straight line, and finish up here. Close it, of course. Now we have profile. Let's make bigger section cut to see the whole profile around the door. We will draw rectangle lines to repeat our profile according to those lines. And that's the front view. And here's the edge. One edge. I don't know. Let's finish somewhere here. Same in this side. And erase everything. I will do a copy of it and rotate it by, I guess, green axis 90 degrees to make it horizontal and move it onto the end point of our line. Okay, I'll catch it. And now I can do so this part is done. So we need also to do this one and how to make it make a plane. Yeah, I'll just simply connect those with the one line and plane will appear. We need to draw also arc lines. Pick a plane, of course. Yes, like that. Let's make it a little bit narrow. And now we can draw this arch. Let's find a midpoint. It's possible. Okay, midpoint of this. What's happening? Midpoint not. It looks like it's not midpoint. Maybe here. Midpoint, yes. So we found center. And we can draw these arced lines. It looks like it's straight, or maybe a little bit arced. And make a copy of, mirror it and move to the other side. Here we go. And we can erase those things. Yeah, let's make a coloring by RGB. And now we can make this exact profile to follow it somewhere in horizontal direction. It's too narrow. Now seems better. So let's pick a line and go to top view and make it interpretation of a profile. Straight top view, straight line, arc line. A little bit complicated, but it's worth it just to see how it will go again after we finish. Approximately. Let's move it here. Now we can delete this profile. Also might be deleted. Those lines, I would like to move them here to make it continuous. Delete unnecessary. And let's try. Let's find out if it works. Find out the lines. Here we go. Let's make a bigger section just to see how it looks like. Looks good. Later now we can make just a simple plane just to show that there are doors somewhere here without detailing. What else? We should make this small profile. So 8 centimeters and a few here. Let's try to make it. Should work. In here and here. By the end point of this. Why is this appearing? It's not closed. Reverse face. From this side I have to continue until that point. And also I don't know what's happening. We might need to close those whites. It looks like it's done. Unhide everything and see from I clicked something and see the whole situation, how we done those parts of a building are done, so that we could move on forward. Yes, just in case I want to check if it fits to our faces. Our faces fit to point cloud. Just clicked to see model inspection. Will it appear red? In some places, yes. Those things which we haven't done are red. Maybe we can raise tolerance until 30 millimeters. And will it change? 30 millimeters. It's like 3 centimeters. Let's see. We didn't do those windows. They appear in red color. And those ornaments also are not done. Quickly inspect what is not done. Here's something missed, also in red. It's easy to check what is not done or what is above tolerance. That's the work of today.